Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear brothers and sisters, for last 2 weeks we were learning about the past tense, and today, inshallah, we will learn about the present and the future tense in Arabic. Present and future tense verb. For both, we use term al-fi'lul mudari'u. Al-fi'lul mudari'u. For present and for future. For both, we use same term. So hold on a minute. We start in a minute. In fi'l madi, we have learned kataba, daraba, kharaja, kataba, three radical verbs. Three radical verbs. Sulasai mujarrad. He wrote. Kataba, he wrote. So he is huwa. Huwa is file subject here. And in kataba, huwa is hidden. Mustatirun. Huwa is hidden in kataba. So how we can make mudare from past? Fi'l madi conveys a complete action. Fi'lun madiyun conveys a complete action. A complete action. The action has been done. A complete action. It is also referred to as a perfect tense. Fi'l madi, we can also call it perfect tense. Perfect tense, which we have learned in the English grammar. So what is the fi'l madi? Fi'l madin conveys a completed action. It is also referred to as perfect tense. So here kataba, a letter called harful mudari'ati. A letter called harful mudari'ati. Particle of mudare. We call it particle of mudare. Is prefixed to the verb. In fi'l mudare, we suffix, but here we prefix. So what is the suffix and what is the prefix? Suffix we add at the end of the verb. The pronoun we add at the end of the verb, that we can say suffix. And the particle of mudare, which we add in the beginning of the verb. In the beginning of the verb, we call it prefix to the verb. It can be one of these four. These four are harful mudare. These four particles, these four hurufs are harful mudare. Ya, ta, a, noon. One of these four will be harful mudare. We can prefix with the verb. Yaktubu. Yaktubu. He is writing. It gives a meaning of present continuous tense. Yaktubu. He writes. It gives the meaning of present indefinite tense. Yaktubu. He will write. it gives the meaning of future tense. So yaktubu, it gives the meaning of three tenses in English: present continuous, present indefinite, and future indefinite tense. Fail mudare conveys an incomplete action. Fail mudare conveys an incomplete action, while fail madi conveys a completed action. The action can be ongoing in the present. The action can be ongoing in the present, or it can be future action. It can be a future action. It is also referred to a imperfect tense. We can call it imperfect tense. Imperfect tense. So how we can make mudare from madi? Past tense verb. Al-fi'lul madiyu. Al-fi'lul madiyu. Qatala. Qatala, he killed. Yaqtulu, he is killing. He kills. He will kill. So it gives three meanings. He is killing. He kills. He will kill. Jalasa, he sat. Jalasa, he sat. So he, huwa is hidden here. Huwa is mustatirun, hidden in jalasa. In jalasa and katala, he is hidden. Jalasa yajlisu. You see here is kasra, while here is dhamma. So these are 6 groups. These are 6 groups. You will learn in the next page, inshallah. Yajlisu, he is sitting. He sits and he will sit. Zahaba, he went. And he is mustatirun, hidden. He is a file, the subject. Yazhabu. So here there is a fatha. On the second last letter there is a fatha, and yajlisu on the second last letter there is a kasra, and yaktulu on the second last letter there is a dhamma. So this you will learn next, inshallah. Yazhabu, he is going. Yazhabu, he goes. Yazhabu, he will go. Shariba, he drinks. He drank. Yashrabu, okay, he is drinking. He drinks. He will drink. Kasura, it increased. Kasura, it increased. It is hidden here. It is hidden. It is file, subject here. And it is hidden in kasura, huwa. It increased. Yaksuru, it is increasing. It increases. It will increase. Now, how we will change the vowels in fi'l mudare? How we will change the vowels? Change of vowels from fi'l madi. Change of vowels from past tense, from fi'l madi to al-fi'lul mudare. You have learned? there are the 6 groups. There are the 6 groups. Just now you learned kataba, qatala, jalasa, zahaba, shariba, kasura. There are the 6 groups. Okay, so how it changed? Al-Failul Madi. Al-Failul Madi kataba. First letter ka. Have first letter ka have fatha. So here first letter ka is silent. First letter ka is silent. This ya is harful mudare. This ya is harful mudare. It is not a part of the verb. It is not a part of the verb. It is harful mudare. Kataba yaktubu. So first letter, first radical. First radical is ka. Ka is here silent. Second radical, ta. Here has fatha. But here the second radical is having dhamma. Third radical, ba. Here has fatha, but here third radical having dhamma. So point what we have to learn, fatha. First letter, this green one, number 1, first letter, fatha. Fatha will change into sukoon. Fatha will change into sukoon. Third radical, fatha. Third radical, fatha will change into dhamma. Like here, yaqtulu. First radical ka, kaf change into sukoon, and the third radical takes the fatha. About the second radical, there are the changes. There are the 6 patterns we will learn. About the first radical and the third radical, there is a single rule that fatha, first radical fatha change into sukoon, and the third radical fatha change into dhamma. And about the second radical, there are changes. Fatha change into fatha. Dhamma change into dhamma. And kasra change into kasra. For the second radical, fatha change into fatha, dhamma change into dhamma, and kasra change into kasra. Okay. We will, in the next page, you will learn it more briefly. The change in vowel sign for the second radical is different in different verbs. Second radical. The change in vowel sign for the second radical is different in different verbs. According to this change of vowels on the second radical, verbs are classified into 6 groups. Okay, I think he is telling about the 6 groups. Fatha, dhamma, kasra, fatha, dhamma, kasra. So he is telling about the groups. How it will change, we will learn here. How it will change about second radical. Second radical, how will change? Nasara, Sara. So this sa, this ra, this ta, this ra, this meme. Hasiba, this sin. These are the 6 groups, and there are the 6 patterns. Nasara, the verbs on the pattern of Nasara. The verbs from the group of Nasara are on the pattern of Nasara. The second radical have fatha. The second radical have fatha. Nasara. Nasara. So Sad has fatha here. Fatha. This fatha will change into dhamma. yansuru. Nasara, yansuru. So this sword will take Dhamma here. In first group, Bab Nasara, our first group, this second radical have Fatah and it will change into Dhamma. Bab Nasara, or group Nasara you can say. Fa'ala will change in, it will take Dhamma. So Fatah will change Dhamma. A mean Fatah and you mean Dhamma. So we call it Fatah Dhamma group. We call it Fatah Dhamma group. We can call it Bab Nasara. We can call it Fatah Dhamma group. Okay. Next is Daraba. Daraba is Bab Daraba. Daraba is Bab Daraba. Bab Daraba. So Daraba. This Ra has Fatah. Ra has Fatah. And it will change into Kasra. So it will change into Kasra. Daraba will change into Yad Ribu. Yad Ribu. And we call it Bab Daraba. Fa'ala will change into, it will take Kasra here. So we call it Fatah Kasra group. We can call it Fatah Kasra group. Okay. Next is Fataha. Fataha. This is Bab from Bab Fataha. Or we can say group Fataha. Second radical Ta. Ta has Fatah. And in Fi'l Mudare, it will take Fatah also. There will be no change. In Fi'l Mudare, in Bab Fataha, a group Fataha, there will be no change. Both will take the Fatah. That's why we call it Fatahatani. Fathatani. Fathatani, two Fatah. Fathatani mean two Fatah. We call it group Fathatani. We call it Bab Fataha. We call it group Fataha. And they both take Fatah. A mean Fatah, I mean Kasra, and you mean Dhamma. Karuma, Karuma, second radical. Ra, Ra have Dhamma. Ra has Dhamma. Okay. So this Dhamma will change into Dhamma. So it means no change. Yakrumu, second radical, will take Dhamma. Yakrumu. So there is no change. We call it Dhamma group. We call it Dhammu Dhammin. Dhammu Dhammin. So here is no change. Karuma Yakrumu. Second radical have no change. You can call it Dhamma group. Bab Karuma. And then the fourth Sami'a. It has Kasra. Sami'a. Sami'a have Kasra. First radical in Fi'l Madi have Kasra. And this Kasra will change into Fatah. Sami'a Yasma'u. Yasma'u. We can call it Kasra Fatah group. Kasra Fatah group. Or we can call it Bab Samiya. Bab Samiya. Second radical, ain, it take fatha. So kasra change into fatha. And the last group number 6, hasiba. Hasiba. Hasiba, seen have kasra here. This kasra will remain same, no change. Hasiba, yahsibu. So seen also have a kasra. We call it kasratani. We call it kasratani, two kasra. Kasratani mean two kasra. So kasra will change into kasra. It means no change. Bab hasiba. We call it bab hasiba. We can call it group hasiba, and we can call it group number 6 also. So second radical have kasra, and this kasra will change into the kasra. So kasra, kasra. Okay. So this is our lesson about the fi'l mudari. So any of you have any question? Any of you have any question, you can raise your hand. Okay. Mahmoud. Mahmoud.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Ustaz.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
On hasiba,
Yes, hasiba.
double kasratani.
Yeah, kasratani.
Now, hasiba.
Yahsibu. Hasiba change to yahsibu.
Hasiba. So si kasra. Where is the other kasra?
Where is the other kasra?
Yes.
Okay. First kasra in hasiba.
Yes.
Hasiba. Seen has kasra, right?
No.
Okay. So this kasra will remain constant, will remain same. There will be no change. When we will change into future, the kasra will remain same and there will be kasra. So kasratani means kasratani means not two kasra in the future or not two kasra in the madi. Kasratani means that the kasra was in the past tense and the kasra will remain same in the future also. You got it? Not?
Yes.
Okay. So kasratani means not two kasra in future or present.
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
anyone, Usman. Usman Muhammad.
Assalamualaikum. Why don't you refer it as domataini? Is there any particular reason? You have kasrataini.
Hello. 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 Okay. Anyone else have any question regarding Fi'lul Mudari? Usman. Usman Muhammad.
Why you do not refer it as domataini, whereas you refer some as kasrataini for two doma?
Okay. Dammu, dammin. Dammu, dammin. This is on a pattern of mudaf, mudaf ilay. Dammu, dammin. This is on a pattern of mudaf ilay. Fathu, kasrin. This is also on pattern of mudaf, mudaf ilay. Kasru, fatin. This is also on a pattern of mudaf, mudaf ilay. When you will learn the more grammar, then you will learn why it is like this. Okay, so anyone else? Okay. Mahmoud, do you have any other question?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to ask?
The grouping, Nasara group. Nasara,
Yes.
Fataha. If I am a layman now, seems
Sorry?
to be in this Nasara grouping. What does it mean by Nasara group?
Nasara, Bab Nasara. There are the verbs on the pattern of the Nasara. These are 6 Babs. These are 6 Babs, 6 groups, 6 chapters. So there will be the verbs, there will be the fail on the pattern of Nasara. All those verbs we will change from Madi to Mudare using this pattern.
No.
There will be hundreds and thousands verbs on the pattern of Nasara. So when those verbs come in front of you, you will use this pattern Nasara.
No.
And you will apply this pattern and you will change them into the fail Mudare. That's why they classified into 6 groups. And there are the thousands of the verbs, and you have to know on which pattern, from which Bab is this, and you apply that Bab, and you can change them from Madi to Mudare.
No, stars.
Okay. So
Thank you.
do you got it?
I have got it. I got it.
Did you got it? Do you understand?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, alhamdulillah.
Yes, Ustaz.
Okay, good. So anyone else? Anyone else have any question? Okay, Muniru. Muniru Sikiru.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yeah. My question is that the one of Babu Semia, is it that when we want to change it to Mudori, the middle one will be the middle one will be Fatiha? As in, are we going to apply Fatiha on the middle of the words?
I didn't get what you want to ask.
As in, for instance, what I'm saying here is that this one is Semia. Why the Mudori is yes more? All the middle. What I'm asking is that all the one in the Bible will be
Samia Yasmau. Samia Yasmau. So what do you want to ask in Samia Yasmau?
So what I want to ask is that all the ones that under that Bible, are they going to be in say?
Better you message me your question.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, better you message me so I can understand easily.
All right.
I am here waiting for your message. Yeah. So anyone else? Rizwana Khan. Rizwana Khan. Please.
Unmute. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So this Samaya, it should be ER in the end, no? IA.
Samia.
Yes. Yasma'u. So
Yasma'u.
the last column should be I-A.
Last
ER.
column. I dash A. Yes.
It is A-I. It should be I-A.
Wait a minute. You mean this one?
Yasma'u. Yes.
This one.
This one. Yes. Samia Yasma'u.
Wait a minute. This one.
Yes.
So this one is right. I dash
No,
A.
it should be I should be first and A should be afterwards.
I
Samia Yasma'u.
yes.
I dash A.
I dash. So this is right. I dash A is okay.
So from this side, no?
It is
Like Dareba, Dariba.
like Dariba.
Yadribu.
Like Dariba, A dash I.
Yes.
A dash I. And for Samia, I dash A. So I stand for Kasra, A stand for Fatha. Samia.
Yeah, so I thought it should be first and then that should be second. It is confusing.
Yeah. Samia, second
Dariba.
radical have Kasra. Samia, second radical have Kasra. So I denoting the Kasra. And
So it should be from left side.
yes.
Okay. You should read from the left side.
Yes, because English we read from the left side. Okay, thank you. Okay, so anyone else have any question? Your question is not reached yet. Muniru, I am still waiting for your question. You didn't type anything. Anyone else have any question? Then we end our class. Okay. I think nobody have any question. So we end our class, inshallah. Tomorrow we will learn lesson from the book, inshallah. We will learn Al-Arabiyatul Lil-Kibar book. The lesson and grammar part we already have completed. And next week we will learn about the fi'l amr.
Shukran.
Okay. إلى اللقاء مع السلامة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Assalamu.
Shukran.
وعليكم
Assalam.
السلام ورحمة الله. جزاك الله خير.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.